can't stop, won't stop, man. I'm still making videos today. Check it out. We got the Creative Metallix Plus. Let's get into this unboxing, man. We got some tape on this thing, but we got a very, very environmentally respectful box. Okay, close it up before I slice one of my fingers off and open it up. Wow, it's a lot smaller than I expected. I know what you're saying. That's what she said. No, seriously, you got this box, right? You got this box. You open it up, and it's this tiny little speaker. Wow. This thing is small. I cannot wait to hear how it sounds. Okay. Got some paperwork here. Don't need that. It's a Bluetooth speaker. Got some warranty stuff there. All right, let's just put this back in the box. Let's put this in there too. Wait a minute. Let me see if there's anything I need to check out real quick. Just off the top. Nope, nothing crazy and special, but it does have, you can take calls on this bad boy. This, I gotta see what's in here. Let me just rip this off real quick. Wow, okay, build quality, it gets an A++, 100% on the build quality. It's from first touch. As soon as I touched it, I just felt quality. Let's just put this box right here, because I'm respectful. Show us some respect. Wow, build quality is paramount at Creative. I like what y'all are doing here. Very, very tactile buttons, very clicky buttons, and huge buttons. So you can just, man, that's nice. Got three sides of it that are actually metal or aluminum or whatever it is, and then you got this this rubber panel that just kind of carries along the side here. Then you got a flap with a USB, micro USB, and a 3.5mm auxiliary port. No other ports, no other nothing. We got a power button here. Let me see, let me read it to you. We got a power button here, a Bluetooth button, play and pause, and a minus and a plus. I'm assuming if you hold the minus, it is going to turn the volume down or skip the track back. And same thing goes along with the plus button. But very, very simple. I can't wait to hear how this little thing sounds. Man, sometimes the smallest things can pack a huge punch. So let's see. Let's see what Creative has for me here today. Put it in pairing mode. That was some theatrical stuff, man.
Pairing mode. Waiting for device to connect.
Oh. Creative is doing it, man. Wow. I felt like a bass rumble. It had this theatrical boom. Y'all heard it. Okay, so we're connected. Oh, wait, hold on. Let me see. So one click is to control the volume. And I'm assuming if you hold it, it'll actually control the volume on your phone. I'm clicking it all the way up. And yeah, it's loud. These little beeps are loud. So let me just set it this way. Let's play some music, man. Let's play that George Strait. I was jamming some George Strait in one of my last videos, man. George, shoot. George is doing it.
We both know when that seat lays back.
Okay, it's definitely loud. This thing is so small to be so loud. Let me hold on.
Anything can happen. So
Imagine. I gotta stop. It sounds really good. Let me play some hip hop or something with some thump to it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let me see. Let me play that. Oh, let me see. I gotta find this song. Here we go.
Shit. Zero crooked. I know y'all been waiting on this here. Yeah. Shit. R.I.P. Big Mellow. Screw. Mafia, Big Boo.
Okay. I mean, it's only so big, so you're only gonna get so much bass, but it's so clean. It's like fresh and clean sound. Wow. I didn't know Creative was doing it like this. Seriously. Let me find another song. I just got to play that intro one more time. I ain't no joke. Let's hear it. Woo! I ain't no joke.
I used to let the mic smoke. Now I slam it when I'm down and make sure.
Damn. Okay, I'm doing samples. Forget the video. I'm just doing samples. Y'all already know I like the speaker. It sounds good. Look, this is a really balanced sound. It's got good bass. I mean, you have to have your expectation levels of bass when you think about the size of the speaker. This thing is built like a tank, and it's got some thump to it, but it balances everything out. It's not muddy. I mean, this is clean music coming out of it. Fresh and clean music. Let's see. Let me see. Let me get a little something else. Let's see. I just want to hear music samples. Ooh, let me see. A touch of jazz. This little thing is thumping. Just in case y'all didn't know, for all y'all new bucks out there, that's DJ Jazzy Jeff and the Fresh Prince. Yes, Will Smith used to rap, and he's actually pretty doggone good at it. This is back in the days when every rapper had a DJ with him. Let me play some more of that. Oh, snap. I really like this speaker, man. This thing is so tiny. Seriously. All right. I think my hand is probably eight and some change as far as length. So it's, I would say that's about 6 inches, right? 6 inches in length. There's some specs somewhere. Go look on the spec sheet, man. This thing ain't even that big. We got, what, 2 inches in height and about 2 inches in, less than 2 inches in depth. So we got basically a 6 by 2 by 1.5 speaker, and it is thumping all this sound. Hold on, I gotta get up. No, I ain't gonna get up. Hold on. Let me just put it over here. I'm impressed. Let me hit that play button. I can't stop. Look, I'm gonna jam this speaker today. Impressive. Look, tiny speaker, big sound from Creative. Built like a tank, solid as a rock. Oh man, there's nothing I don't like about this thing. I would tell you if I didn't like something, but I like everything about it. I'm really shocked by the size, but it packs a lot of sound. If I were gonna compare it to something, let me play it again. Let me see. Now, it's not as loud as the TrebLab speaker, not quite there yet, but it's like right next door. It's like it's the little brother to the TrebLab speaker that I reviewed a few weeks ago. If I were to compare it to something like a JBL, definitely better than a Clip or Clip 2 or a 3, whatever's out. I would put this, let me see. Y'all got to listen to that song, man. It's just chill. I would put this, since JBL is more popular, I would put this right next to a JBL Flip, man. A JBL Flip 2 or 3, whatever's out right now. This is very comparable to that. But I can't believe they packed it in this size, this form factor, man. I'm trying to look for the drivers. This thing's built like a tank, man. Golly. It is amazing how much sound is coming out of this little speaker, man. All right, I got to get out of here. I'm going to keep jacking around with this thing. I'm just going to jam this song out, and I'll say goodbye to y'all. But hey, before y'all click off the video, you know what to do. Notification bell, like button, smash the subscribe button. I'll see y'all with the next one.